What does the term earnest money refer to in a real estate transaction? Initial payment made by the buyer to demonstrate serious intent to purchase. What does the term zoning refer to in real estate? Regulations that dictate how land can be used and developed. What is a condominium association? A group of property owners who collectively manage and maintain common areas in a condominium development. What is the role of a title company in a real estate transaction? To conduct a title search and issue title insurance. What does the term lien holder refer to in real estate? A person or entity that holds a legal claim against a property as security for a debt. What is a 1031 exchange in real estate? A tax-deferred exchange of one investment property for another.